Hi, I'm Shelley from Frills and Froth, and this is the May subscription box reveal. So let's get into it. Hey, welcome to May, and it's subscription box time, and now I'm going to do the reveal of the May subscription boxes. It's my absolute favourite time of the month is sending out subscription boxes, because so much of my heart and soul goes into these boxes, from making the patterns to deciding what goes in them, and everything in between, posting and everything. So I shall start with the smaller one, which is the Taste of Hexes. So this month in the Taste of Hexes box, we'll got the pattern for our hexie mug rug. So when you open your box, I mean, the first thing that greets you is our pretty pink paper and our sticker. I like to think it reminds you of me, but looking at my figure really isn't anything like that. But we can all dream, hey? So opening up. And first of all, when you open your box, you will find your pattern for your hexie rug. Keep forgetting to add the rug on the end, I don't know why. And inside there is full picture tutorial of how to make your mug rug. I mean, it's only a suggestion, obviously you don't have to make what the pattern is, but it's a nice pattern to keep, and you know, that you might use on a different occasion if you don't want to use it with your Liberty fabric this month. And then, as always, we have a tea bag, because who wants to sew without drinking a cuppa? Biscuits, we need to snack while we sew. And then on to the beautiful Liberty fabric. In this box we've got, I'm going to have to check my list now, we've got Liberty Ricardo, and you get a fat eighth of each of these fabrics. They measure 25 centimeters by 26 centimeters. Then we have English Berry, which is in the light purple. We have the Newland Large Ditzy. And we have the Daisy Shadow in cream. And this month's box is worth £24.20, which I think is extremely good value compared to the price of what we charge. You get always your pins and needles, so you can start straight away. You get 100 meters of Gutterman thread. This is the colour this month. You get your nice little welcome letter for your Hello May. This month's paper pieces is 3/4 hexes, and you get 150 of those. These are the ones that are used in the pattern as well, so you can use them to make the pattern. And this month's sewing surprise is your Prim tape measure, which is recommended retail price at £6.50. So it is a fantastic little box this month. Absolute joy to send and hopefully to receive. Now on to the Feast of EPP. These boxes cost you as a customer £35, and this month's box is worth a whopping £58.60. So it's very exciting. I've chose lots of lovely things to go in this month, and it really does. Everything I put in this box is everything that I would love to receive and love to use. In actual fact, I buy myself one as well. So again, opening it up, and again you get your welcome letter and your pretty pink paper. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So when you receive your box, it'll be all pretty packaged like this, and opening it up, we've got the May block pattern. This month it's called May Bloom block, and it is made with hexagons, jewels and diamonds. Okay, get more pretty packaging. And in the feast, there's a lot more sewing because there's a lot more fabric. So in this one we get coffee, which is a latte this month, and a tea bag. And obviously a biscuit because we need to snack. The pins and needles, which we get in every box every month. And each month you do get 6 fat quarters of your Liberty quilting cotton in your feast. So this month we have Ricardo, which is really pretty. Fat quarter of Newland large ditzy. Fat quarter of English berry. Fat quarter of Mammy. Fat quarter of Wiltshire Shadow in purple. And a fat quarter of Daisy Shadow in cream. These are all the fabrics that I've used in the May Bloom block pattern. That's a mouthful. But like I said, in all the things, these are only a block suggestion. It's not something that I aim for you to make a specific quilt at the end. These blocks can be changed up with other blocks that you've had from blocks of the month that can be turned into a cushion front, a table runner. You just need to repeat the blocks, and there is enough fabric in here to make more than one block. And the paper pieces you get this month are 51.5 inch diamonds, 51.5 inch jewels, and 51.5 inch hexes. And the fabric, the Gutterman's thread is Sewall thread, and you've got purple and beige this month that goes with the fabrics. And on to the sewing surprises, because we all like a good surprise in a box. We've got some heart pins. This is absolutely fantastic. This is a magnetic heart pin cushion, which is worth £9 on its own. So you can keep your pins in and they won't drop off because it's magnetic. But what's even better is if you drop pins on the floor, then you can run your pin cushion over it like that and pick up any pins that you've got. So that is fantastic. And these are like the ultimate scissors. We have got the Stork embroidery scissors, which I absolutely love. So they're genome scissors as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our unboxing of our May subscription boxes. There is full tutorials for both these patterns here on YouTube if you wanted to take a look. Our website link is below if you want to subscribe to our subscription boxes, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below to our channel if you'd like to watch some more of our videos. Thank you ever so much again for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.